Hello. Dive into the exhilarating world of the 2024 BMW 5 Series, your guide to automotive excellence. The long-awaited arrival of the 2024 BMW 5 Series is upon us, igniting excitement as production gears up for the highly anticipated October 2023 market debut. Prepare for a symphony of cutting-edge technology, captivating performance upgrades, a remarkable facelift, and an electrifying all-electric option that caters to a diverse spectrum of enthusiasts. The 8th generation of the BMW 5 Series doesn't just follow trends, it forges its own path, embodying the essence of a 7 Series Junior. This new iteration shares more than just a few glances with its flagship sibling, the 7 Series, boasting a presence that towers over the 3 Series. While perfection for all remains an elusive goal, the 2024 BMW 5 Series certainly makes a valiant effort to achieve it. Behold the dynamic evolution of the 2024 BMW 5 Series lineup, characterized by a range-wide surge in performance. Feel the rush as the 530i's turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers an elevated output of 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, a gain of 7 GP and 38 pounds aft. The 540iX drive surges ahead with a remarkable 40 horsepower and 52 pound-feet increase, boasting a robust 375 horsepower and 384 pound-feet. While BMW projects a mere tenth of a second improvement in the 0-60 miles per hour sprint, independent tests might just shatter those predictions. As the heart of the lineup, every BMW 5 Series model enjoys an 8-speed automatic transmission, complete with launch control and paddle shifters for an exhilarating driving experience.
Step inside the cabin of the 2024 BMW 5 Series and embrace an elevated realm of refinement and meticulous attention to detail. The redesigned steering wheel puts intuitive control at your fingertips, while customizable ambient lighting transforms personalization into an art form. The interior draws inspiration from the opulent 7 Series, creating an atmosphere of elegance rather than mimicking the smaller 3 Series. Experience luxury like never before with the debut of the panoramic Sky Lounge roof option, bringing a touch of open-air allure to the 5 Series for the first time. For ultimate comfort, indulge in the luxury seating package, featuring ventilated and multi-contour seats, as well as heated front and rear seats. Embrace the future with the streamlined technology of the 2024 BMW 5 Series. The iconic curved display, gracing the dashboard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central information screen, takes center stage. Navigating the innovative iDrive 8.5 interface is a breeze, even for first-time users, thanks to the iDrive controller nestled in the center console. Equipped with essentials like navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, My BMW app integration, voice commands, and wireless charging, the 5 Series keeps you seamlessly connected. Immersive technology permeates every corner of the 2024 BMW 5 Series. Borrowed from the prestigious 7 Series, the BMW Interaction Bar adds an upscale touch, changing hues to mirror your driving mode. From an intuitive head-up display to the revolutionary in-car gaming feature through Air Console, the 5 Series stands at the forefront of modernity. To amplify your driving pleasure, consider treating yourself to the convenience package, offering remote start, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Safety and convenience converge with the active driving assistance suite, featuring a frontal collision warning with left turn warning, lane keeping assistant with blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, speed limit information, and exit warning. These features are standard across the entire 2024 BMW 5 Series lineup. Additionally, an automatic park assistant and backup assistant grace each vehicle, simplifying perpendicular and parallel parking through semi-automated processes. Welcome to the future where the 2024 BMW 5 Series sets the benchmark for exhilarating journeys.